Look at an example from the IRS. This was my mother's. We did the quick claim deed. As you can see, there's no transfer tax on it. Down at the county, off of the county tax roll. Let's go down to the letter from the IRS. It's coming from Mrs. Harrington. This is her employee ID number. As of July 2021, we're talking about the 1096 tax form. When you do a discharge, we're looking at 1096 and we're looking at 1099A. This is not to be confused with 1099 OID. That is only for banks. And we're not a bank. We are not a national association under the FDIC, nor are we a credit union under the NCUA. So let's not utilize false information that's floating around on the internet. Now look at this. Dear taxpayer, we are returning your payment because we could not process it. Now I knew this. When I was doing this with my mother, she said, look, it makes sense that we make the check payable out to the lender. I said, no, the law says that we have to send it out to the United States Treasury, and they will wire the money to the lender. And you have to remember the lender was already paid through the credits. So they don't deserve anything. They are a third-party debt collector. So she said, let's just send it in anyway. I said, well, we're going to do both and see what they say. One to the US Treasury and one to the name of the lender. They stamped it, your payment, non-negotiable for your protection. We have checked below the reason why we could not process your payment. Now, notice that they didn't check this box here. We cannot accept as a payment. They said all payments to us must be made payable to the United States Treasury, and yours is not. So we have two. There's the mortgage statement here. Always, always consider to give an accord and satisfaction money order. Always do that. We chose $10. You see this is Texas mail service for the IRS. This is where they stamped it and received it. Here we go. The memo here, payment in full, accord and satisfaction, court account number, the assessor's parcel number, and we have the language from Title 12, 411. Now, this one here made to the Treasury in the amount of $271, mortgage amount. This one down here, they voided it because it was made out to the lender. This is the one they're talking about. So this is the one that they accept. Now, if the mortgage statement